Did you know that Palo Santo, often called holy wood, has been used for centuries by indigenous cultures in South America for its spiritual and healing properties? Yeah, it's true. This ancient wood has a rich history that goes way beyond just being an essential oil. Let's dive in. Hey, wellness enthusiasts! Welcome to Essential Oils 101, where we learn about essential oils, their health benefits, and how to use them. Today we're talking about something super special: Palo Santo essential oil. This oil is not only famous for its amazing aroma, but also for its unique properties. It's derived from the Palo Santo tree, which means holy wood in Spanish. This tree has been revered for centuries, not just for its scent, but for its spiritual significance and therapeutic qualities. So buckle up as we explore the fascinating history, benefits, and some awesome blends you can create with this magical oil. I'd love to hear from you. What essential oils would you like to learn about next? Drop them in the comments and we'll make videos about them. This class is all about you. Do yourself a favor and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the wealth of knowledge that you won't find anywhere else. Keep watching to the end so you don't miss my favorite tips and tricks. Now, before we get into the good stuff, let's talk about a common issue people face when diving into essential oils. There are so many options out there, and with that comes a ton of misconceptions. People often confuse essential oils with one another, thinking they all serve the same purpose. And let's be honest, choosing the right oil can feel overwhelming, especially if you're new to this world. You might be wondering, do I need lavender for relaxation, or is it Palo Santo? Here's the kicker: each oil has its own unique benefits, and it's essential to know what you're looking for. So how do you sift through the noise and find what works for you? Stick around, because we're about to make it a whole lot clearer. Please pardon the interruption, because you're definitely going to want to hear this. I am absolutely obsessed with high heels, but I refuse to suffer for my art. I started using Vivian Lew insoles 4 years ago. Now they're in every pair of heels I own. Let's not talk about how many there are. The science behind how they work is fascinating. They don't just cushion your soles, they actually shift your weight to prevent the pain. If you want to try Vivian Lew insoles for 20% off, check the link in the description. If you're like me, you can email them to buy in bulk after you realize you never want to wear heels without them again. Thanks for sharing this special stiletto-obsessed moment with me. I sincerely appreciate you for supporting my shoe habit. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. Alright, let's get into the juicy details. Palo Santo has a rich history that dates back to the ancient civilizations of South America. It was traditionally used by shamans for cleansing, healing, and spiritual rituals. People believed that burning Palo Santo could clear negative energy and bring in positive vibes. Fast forward to today, and we still embrace these traditions. The essential oil is extracted from the wood of the tree, which only falls naturally when it's mature and at least 40 years old. This means that the trees are protected and sustainable harvesting is super important. Palo Santo's versatile aroma lends itself to a wide range of essential oil companions. Its woody, citrusy, and slightly sweet notes harmonize beautifully with earthy oils like cedarwood, cypress, frankincense, myrrh, patchouli, sandalwood, and vetiver. For a brighter, more uplifting blend, consider pairing Palo Santo with citrusy oils such as bergamot, grapefruit, lemon, orange, or lime. If you prefer floral undertones, jasmine, lavender, or rose can complement Palo Santo's complexity. For a touch of spice, black pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, or clove can add depth and warmth. Other oils that blend well include clary sage, eucalyptus, helichrysum, and juniper berry. Remember, these are just suggestions, and the best way to discover your favorite combinations is through experimentation. Now let's talk about the benefits. Palo Santo essential oil is celebrated for its aromatic qualities. It has a sweet, woodsy scent that can instantly uplift your mood. Not to mention, it's known for its therapeutic properties, like reducing stress, anxiety, and even boosting your immune system. Whether you're diffusing it in your home or adding it to a relaxing bath, the oil can create a tranquil environment that helps you unwind. And there's more. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it great for soothing minor aches and pains. Seriously, it's like having a little piece of nature's magic in a bottle. Palo Santo, that mystical wood that smells like a tropical vacation, isn't just about the vibe, it's packed with powerful compounds that might just make you rethink your wellness routine. Let's dive into the science behind the scent. The star of the show is limonene. This little guy is like the superhero of the essential oil world, fighting inflammation and those pesky germs. A study from the National Institutes of Health in 2021 even suggests it could have a role in supporting immune function. Next up, we've got alpha-pinene. This compound is all about calming the mind and boosting focus. Researchers from Molecules Journal in 2019 found that it might be a natural ally for stress relief. Alpha-terpineol is another powerhouse. Think of it as your personal army against bacteria and fungus. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry from 2010 highlights its potential antimicrobial properties. And last but not least, guaiol. This compound is like a warm hug for your body. It's been shown to have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects, according to a 2014 study in the Flavor and Fragrance Journal. Now let's create 2 diffuser blends using Palo Santo essential oil. The first is calming and grounding. This blend is perfect for winding down after a long day or creating a serene atmosphere for meditation. You'll need 3 drops Palo Santo, 2 drops lavender, and 2 drops cedarwood. The second diffuser blend is for energy and rejuvenation. This blend is designed to boost your mood and increase focus. You'll need 3 drops Palo Santo, 2 drops lemon, and 1 drop peppermint. For the DIY room spray, I suggest using a continuous mist spray bottle. You can find them at Amazon. To make 100 milliliters of room spray, that's the size of most bottles, you'll need 70 milliliters of distilled water or rose hydrosol, 20 milliliters of isopropyl alcohol that is at least 90%, and 10 milliliters of your chosen diffuser blend. You can use a food scale set to grams to weigh these amounts. To use the spray, try to aim as high as possible so the mist dissipates before it hits any furniture. As a disclaimer, never apply essential oils directly to skin without proper dilution. Never ingest essential oils unless directed by a practitioner. Essential oils should be seen as complementary therapy and not a cure-all for every medical condition. To wrap it all up, we've explored the fascinating history of Palo Santo, its traditional uses, and the incredible benefits it offers. From its spiritual significance to its therapeutic properties, this essential oil is definitely one to have in your collection. Remember, whether you're using it for relaxation, mood enhancement, or simply enjoying its beautiful aroma, Palo Santo has something special to offer for everyone. So, did you learn something new today? That's exactly why this channel exists. If you found this information to be at all helpful, be sure to like this video. It's an easy way to support this channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications for more tips and discussions on essential oils, natural remedies, and holistic wellness. Thanks for watching to the end. See you next time. Check out one of these videos if you would like to watch more of our content.